Hi, my name is Ken Oliver, and I've got another inky technique here that you are gonna love. I just made a color burst painting using a 12 by 12 stencil from the Crafter's Workshop, and I still have a lot of color burst on there, and I don't want to waste my color because this color is too intense and too beautiful to throw it away. So I'm gonna lay my stencil down on one of my 12 by 12 mixed media boards, and I'm gonna lay it down with the ink side up. Then I'm gonna take some of the Crafter's Workshop light and fluffy modeling paste along with a palette knife. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press modeling paste through the stencil onto the mixed media board, and that's going to pick up the ink and give us all kinds of beautiful gradiated color from the stencil into the modeling paste onto the board. It's a great way to make a beautiful mixed media background. So check this out. And this might take me a few minutes, so bear with me. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be so nice. And it'll take me a while to do this whole board. And when you're using a palette knife, you want to put down a nice layer, enough that it's at first like kind of thick on top, and then go back over it with that metal edge and pull the excess off, and that will give you a really crisp, clean edge. I know this can't be too exciting just watching me apply. This is kind of like icing a cake. But can you see as I'm doing it that the color burst is actually coming up inside the paste? It's beautiful. So I cannot wait to see what this looks like when we're done.
Thank you. And I missed, what color burst colors did you use?
I'm using turquoise, lemon yellow, and ultramarine blue.
They are gorgeous together.
And if you see, there's the original piece that I did. So that piece was the original stencil. Then we did some prints here, and now I'm pulling the ink off with a palette knife and light and fluffy modeling paste. So this will take me just a minute. If you were really super conscious about keeping your modeling paste clean, you might want to take a bunch out and put it on a separate palette, because I've dipped into the jar and basically I've got the whole jar full of turquoise now. But also, like, as much as I'm going to use here, I'll probably use almost a whole jar on this project.
It looks like a 12 by 12 board.
It's a 12 by 12 mixed media board. Using a palette knife is so relaxing, it's very calming. It's almost like icing a cake or cupcakes.
What would happen, excuse me, if you put a color burst on right now over this wet paste?
Well, it would burst into the paste, but not as dramatically as whenever you mix it with when you do it with water.
Okay.
Crafter's Workshop stencils are magical. If you've never used them before, please add some of these into your toolbox because they're fantastic. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back over the top with the flat edge of my metal palette knife and pull off any excess. All right, let's see what this looks like.
The big reveal.
Wait for it. Oh my goodness.
Gorgeous.
That is just beautiful.
And then
Isn't it fantastic?
Another step is if you put that on it.
Well, thank you
Another
very
one.
much.
Thank you.
Stencil.
Take care.
You can clean your stencil into a book or something to start getting.
Oh, exactly. That'd be very good.
It just keeps going. And
Thanks again.